Dear Islamic brothers, let's determine how to find the direction of Qibla on the 13th and 14th January with the help of the sun for most countries of North and South America as well as Australia. There are 2 times in the whole year, which is November the 28th and 29th and January 13th and 14th. The sun reaches above the antipode of Kaaba. At this time, exact direction of Qibla can easily be found with the help of the sun's shadow appearing on any object. And the method by which it can be found out is on January 13th or 14th at 21:30 according to the GMT, stand an object vertically, which can be a wood or an iron rod, in such a way that it is not bent in any direction, or hang any heavy object tied on one side of a rope. Now the Qibla is on the side where the shadow is being formed at the time mentioned. So by standing on the shadow and turning your back towards this vertical object, your direction will be towards the Qibla. There is no problem if you do this 2 or 4 minutes before or after. And special attention should be given that the salah offered within 45 degrees to either left or right of the actual direction of the Qibla is valid. And this is in accordance with the summary of Bahar-e-Shariat, Volume 1, page number 487.
The Prophet, it's all over the world. It's spreading the fragrance of the love of the Prophet. It's all over the world.